are you all? Hope all of you are fine and enjoying also. I'm here with the chapter Mulan, right? Chapter 4, the story is Mulan. This is a story about a brave girl, Mulan of China. This is a story about a brave girl whose name is Mulan and she is from China. A long time ago, in the state of Northern Wei in ancient China, there lived a beautiful girl named Mulan. Her full name was Hua Mulan. Mulan's father was a general in the Imperial Chinese Army, returned from a very long battle. His name was Yet Hua Zhao. His father's name Yet Hua Zhao, and he just came back or returned from a long battle of China, right? He always trained his daughter to make her brave. Her father wanted to make Mulan very brave, so for that he guided her and time to time he trained her. Yet Hua Zhao always gave time to Mulan. He made her daughter very strong and brave because he gave time. Whenever he gets time, he gives for her daughter only, and this way he made her daughter very strong and brave. One day it was in news that Hun, nomadic person who lived in Central Asia, the person Hun, a nomadic person who lived in Central Asia, has invented China. So one day they came to know, Chinese emperor came to know that Hun, a person who is from Asia, attacked China. The emperor of China wants one able person from every family to join the army to save China from the attack. So being that emperor of the China, he wanted to save the China, so for that he needs manpower. So he asked at least one person should join the army, should get training over there and serve for the country. Mulan's full name is Hua Mulan, decided to join the army to become Hua Li, to protect her family and country. So she wanted to join that army and wanted to serve for the country. One night Mulan rides away on her father's trusted horse. So she wanted to join that army. So because of that, one night Mulan rides away on her father's trusted horse. She practiced with army. She joined over there, and then there she practiced with soldiers. That was the first time for her, because before that she practiced with her father only. This is the first time when she was practicing other than her father. With the soldiers she was practicing in that army. She was getting training to be ready for the fight, to save the China from the attack of Hun. She practiced with army soldiers. That was the first time when she practiced with others. Before that, she practiced only with her father. Mulan always practiced sincerely. Mulan, she was very sincere. She was very sincere about her work, about her performance, and because of that only she performed well. Always she performs well. Because of her sincere dedication, after 2 months, so she joined over there in the army to get trained. She was getting training over there. She was getting ready for the fight to protect China as Hun attacks China. Because of her sincere dedication, she was very sincere about her work. After 2 months, she was appointed as second in command by the commanding officer Fa Ling. What is the name of the commanding officer? Fa Ling. So they were very happy with the work of Mulan, and after 2 months she got appointment as second in command, right? So this much only. Thank you so much. I'll come in that next video. You have to wait for that. Hope you understood. If you have doubts, you can call me, and during the doubt session I will clear it. Okay, go through again and again. Just try to understand the theme, the character, and this way you have to remember the story. Okay, bye, take care.